Mae Llythrennedd Corfforol amdan datblygu'r plentyn, a mae i gyd yn ymwneud â datblygu sgiliau, cael y hyder a'r cymhelliant i gymryd rhan mewn chwaraeon am byth.
Da i wrthi'n brysur yn gweithio ochr Abergele yn peilota'r cynllun Llythrennedd Corfforol, yn gweithio efo ysgol Glan ac ysgol Sant Ewfod. Mae'r rheswm pennaf am hyn ydy sicrhau bod y plant yn gallu datblygu sgiliau a bod ni efo adnodd i gefnogi'r ysgolion yn ystod y gwersi ac yn hefyd yn bennaf yn mewn clwbiau allgyrsiol.
Wel, mae'r Llythrennedd Corfforol yn medru bod yr un mor bwysig ar llythrennedd a'r rhifedd, ac yn hara byd mae plentyn yn cael y profiadau yma gorau byd ydi o, a mae'r sgiliau'n elfennol iawn, a mae'r plentyn yn symud, yn cerdded yn rhedeg ac yn hopian ac yn defnyddio pêl ac yn symud pêl i ddatblygu sgiliau sydd yn perthyn i unrhyw fath o gêm.
As a school, physical development has got a big priority already. We have the pirate ship and the trim trail that the children can access whenever they want to. We also have staff that carry out wake-up, shake-up for the children, so they're all encouraged to be active for the last 20 minutes of their lunch times. Our outdoor area lends itself to a lot of physical activity, and the children again access that on a daily basis.
I've enjoyed the where we've been moving around and making different shapes. We did different animal shapes like foxes, scorpions and crabs around the hall. We can move in different ways by doing side step, doing it tall, wide, skipping, hopping, crawling.
I enjoy doing the saucer and passing the beanbag around our bodies.
Mae'r plant di elwa yn fawr o'r prosiect yma, mae wedi bod yn llwyddiant ysgubol yn yr ysgol. Mae'r cynllun yn un gynhwysfawr, mae'r popeth o'n un lle, a mae'n datblygu sgiliau'r plant, a mae'n hwyl dyna sy'n bwysig. So mae pob plentyn, mae'r rhan o'r prosiect wedi mwynhau yn enfawr.
I enjoyed bouncing the ball and catching it again. The best bit of the lesson was when we were bouncing the ball with the music. The best bit was catching the ball and running around.
One of my main concerns as a PE coordinator is there's such pressure on children, so they want to play football, netball, all types of sports, but they're not actually ready for it at the age they're at. So I think it's really important to take a step back, start right with the basics and move forwards.
It is pirate treasure, Gideon.
I also think it gives the children an opportunity to develop like numeracy, your Welsh, your language, communication. So with the LNF being so important recently, it ties in very well with that too.
You are listening so brilliantly today. I'm so proud and you're making me so happy.
From the child's point of view, I feel that they've gained an awful lot. It was wonderful to see them working so hard within the lesson. They kept active all the time with smiles on their faces. They worked brilliantly in their pairs, developing oracy skills, problem solving, thinking skills.
I found it really beneficial. I found it great doing it with my class, but also I found it really helpful with the after school club, because sometimes I was really stuck for ideas.
From September, physical development will be a key aspect of our school development plan.
O ran y sir, ein blaenoriaeth mawr ni ar gyfer y dyfodol fydd Llythrennedd Corfforol yn enwedig datblygu sgiliau'r plant mwyn sicrhau eu bod nhw wedi gwirioni mewn chwaraeon am oes.